If f from a to b is a function, then the function g from b to a such that f composite g of a, which is equal to x, is called inverse function. It's called inverse function. Then suppose it is denoted by f inverse of x. Then if f composite g of x is equal to g composite f of x is equal to x, then f and g are inverse of each other. Okay. Then next is the identity function. Then second function is identity function. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to x for all x belong to R. It's called the identity function. Then next function is constant function. If a function f from a to b is defined by f of x is equal to k for all x belong to a and k belong to b, then f is called constant function. Then next is exponential function. Exponential function. A function f is said to be exponential function if it is contains exponential form. If it is contains exponential terms. If it is contains exponential terms means first example, f of x is equal to e raised to 5x. Then second example, f of x is equal to e raised to minus 3x plus 5 into e raised to 2x. Means here a function is said to be exponential. Then next function is logarithmic function. Next function is logarithmic function. A function f is said to be logarithmic function if it is contains logarithmic form, logarithmic term. Then here example, f of x is equal to log 3x plus 5. Then also f of x is equal to 2 log x plus 3 log 5x. Then next is algebraic function. A function f is said to be algebraic function if it contains algebraic term. First is f of x is equal to sin x plus a raised to x. Here contain algebraic terms is x and sin x. Also second example, f of x is equal to log x plus 5 raised to x minus cos x. Then next is modulus function. the function defined by f of x is equal to x 0 minus x when x greater than 0, when 0 when x is equal to 0, and minus x when x less than 0, then it's called modulus function. Then it is denoted by mod of x. Then here example, mod 5 is equal to 5, and mod of minus 11, which is also 11, means mod of this is always positive. Then next function is parametric function. Next function is parametric function. If variables x and y are expressible into third variable t as x is equal to f1 of t and y is equal to f2 of t, then functions are called parametric function. Here examples. First example, x is equal to 80 and y is equal to 80 square. Second, x is equal to 2t and y is equal to t minus 2. These are parametric functions. Then next is periodic function. A function f of x is said to be periodic function if f of x plus t, which is equal to f of x, for all x then suppose here here example, suppose f of x is equal to sin x, then f of x plus t means here x plus suppose 2 pi means sin x plus 2 pi, which is equal to sin 2 pi plus x, and sin 2 pi plus theta which is equal to sin theta, so here sin x, but sin x is the f of x, so here we prove that f of x which is equal to f of x plus 2 pi, hence f of x is equal to sin x is a periodic function with period 2 pi. Then next is the even function. A function f of x is said to be even function if f of minus x is equal to f of x for all x. Means, first example, suppose f of x is equal to cos x, then f of minus x is equal to cos minus x, and which is equal to cos minus x which is cos x, which is equal to f cos x, but cos x is f of x, so here f of minus x is equal to f of x, hence f of x is even function. Then next function, is odd function. A function f of x is said to be odd function if f of minus x which is equal to minus f of x for all x. Here example, first suppose f of x is equal to sin x, then here find out f of minus x which is equal to sin minus x, but sin minus x is the sin minus theta is minus sin theta, but my sin x is f of x, so minus f of x. So here f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So hence f of x is odd function. Then first example, test whether the function is even or odd. Even or odd if f of x is equal to x cube plus 5 sin x. So here given that f of x which is equal to x cube plus 5 sin x. So it is first equation. Then we know that if f of minus x is equal to f of x, then f of x is even function, and here f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Then f of x is odd function. Then we get from equation 1 f of minus x which is equal to minus x cube plus 5 into sine of minus x. This is second equation. And which is minus x cube is the minus x cube, and sine minus theta is the minus sine theta, means minus 5 into sine x, and which is equal to, here minus sign get common, and x cube plus 5 into sine x. But this is the f of x, so minus this value is minus f of x. Hence here f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So this condition is satisfied. Hence this function is odd function. Hence by definition f of x is a odd function. Then next example, whether the function is even or odd. If f of x is equal to 3x4 minus 2x square plus cos x. So first upon, given that f of x is equal to 3x4 minus 2x square plus cos x. So first upon, we know that the condition, if f of x minus x is equal to f of x, then f of x is even function. And second condition, if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, then f of x is odd function. So first find out this equation 1. From equation 1, f of minus x, which is equal to 3 into minus x raised to 4 minus 2 into minus x square plus cos of minus x. But here minus x raised to 4. So here 3x4, here even function, so positive sign, and minus x square, so 2 minus 2x square, and cos of minus x minus theta is the cos theta. So here cos x, but this is equal to f of x. So here f of minus x, which is equal to f of x. So this condition is satisfied. So this is even function. So here f of x is even function. Then next point is value of a function. So first is, if f of x is equal to log sin x, then find f of pi by 2. Then first upon, given that f of x is equal to log sin of x, Then we get to find f of pi by 2. So here we put in terms of x pi by 2. So log sine pi by 2. But here sine pi by 2 value is sine 90 degree, which is equal to 1. So here log of 1, but log of 1 which is equal, log 1 is equal to 0. So this value f of pi by 2 which is equal to 0. So f of pi by 2 is the value of the function. Then second example, if f of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 1, then find f of 1 and f of 0. So first upon here, given that f of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 1, this is first equation. Then step first to find f of 1. So here f of 1 which is equal to, put this value of 1, so 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 1 which is equal to 1 square is 1, 5 into 1 5 plus 1. So 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 1 7. So here we find out the value of f of 1 is 7. Then step second to find f of 0. So here put the value of 0. So 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 1. So 0 square is 0 plus 5 into 0 is 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So f of 0 value is 1. So here f of 1 which is equal to 7 and f of 0 which is equal to 1. So this is the answer. Then next example, example third, if f of x which is equal to x cube plus 1 divided by x square plus 1, then find f of minus 3 and f of minus 1. So first upon given that f of x, which is equal to x cube plus 1 divided by x square plus 1. Then step first to find f of minus 3. So here f of minus 3, put the value of minus 3 here, minus 3 cube plus 1 divided by minus 3 squared plus 1. So here minus 3 cube is minus 27 plus 1 divided minus 3 square is 9 plus 1. So minus 27 plus 1 is minus 26 divided by 9 plus 1 is 10. So here 5 into 2, sorry, 5 into 2 10, then 13 into 2 16, so which is equal to minus 13 divided by 5. So f of minus 3 is the minus 33 upon minus 13 divided by 5. Then step second, then here step second to find f of minus 1. So here f of minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 cube plus 1 divided by minus 1 square plus 1, and which is equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 square is 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. So f of minus 1, which is equal to 0. So this is answer, f of minus 1 is equal to 0. Then example 4. If f of x, which is equal to x square plus 9 divided by square root of x minus 3, then find f of 4 plus f of 5. So first upon given that f of x, which is equal to x square plus 9 divided by square root of x minus 3. This is first equation. Then here first find out f of 4. So f of 4, which is equal to 4 square plus 9 divided by square root of 4 minus 3, which is equal to 4 square is 16 plus 9 divided by square root of 4 minus 3 is 1, and 16 plus 9 is 25, and square root of 1 is 1, and which is equal to 25. Okay. Here 4 minus, like 4 minus 3 is 1, so 25 divided by 1 is the 25. So f of 4 is the 25. Similarly, find out f of 5. So f of 5 here, 5 square plus 9 divided by square root of 5 minus 3, which is equal to 5 square is 25 plus 9 divided by 5 minus 3 is root 2. 25 plus 9 is the 34 divided by root 2. But here root 2, so here multiplied by root 2 and divided by root 2, so which is equal to 34 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 is the 2. Then 2 into 34 divided by 17, and which is equal to 17 root 2. So f of 5 answer is 17 root 2. So then here we find out the f of 4 plus f of 5. But here f of 4 is 25 plus f of 5 is 17 root 2. 17 root 2, and which is the answer f of 4 plus f of 5, which is equal to 25 plus 17 root 2.